here at Ink on top of the Crinkle building, and I'm here with Emma, who is going to be making us another Sir Robin of Locksley cocktail. Can you tell us a little bit about Ink? What's unusual about it?
Yeah, so Ink's actually the first rooftop bar to open in Sheffield. It's in Crinkle, which is a shipping container on the edge of Shalesmoor. So it's got nice independent little food and drink and all bits and bobs outlets all the way up. So we're here in the sunshine today. It's looking lovely. It's a nice day to be up on the roof.
And are you going to make us a sunshiny drink then?
Yeah, lovely. So this is called the Sir Robin of Locksley. So it's a nice earthy herbal cocktail. We're picking up on the notes of elderflower and pink grapefruit in the Sir Robin gin. So we've got this elderflower liqueur Saint-Germain and some elderflower cordial as well to bring the sweetness. And we've got lemon juice and grapefruit bitters and some fresh grapefruit juice to bring in some more sour notes. And then that's all going to be nicely balanced with some rosemary and mint just to get those kind of herbal flavours. Yeah, to match the botanicals in the gin. So, should I get started?
Yes, please do.
Okie dokie. So, starting off with 40 mils of Sir Robin gin. There we go. And then we're going to go 10 mils of Saint-Germain. Just for that nice elderflower flavour. And then we're going to have half a shot of elderflower cordial.
A little more sweetness.
Yep, half a shot of lemon juice to bring that sourness in. And we're going to go for a squeeze of fresh grapefruit in there.
To bring out the grapefruit.
Yeah, a little bit more sourness. And then we've got a dash of grapefruit bitters. Not too much though, because I don't want to kind of overpower it. And then we're going to have some fresh mint, so I'll just activate that. And then some rosemary as well.
Rosemary, my favourite herb.
Yeah, some botanical flavours. So I'll pop some ice in there.
Give it a shake. So the ice is both chilling and diluting the drink.
Yeah.
You do want a little bit of a dilution happening in there.
So, yeah, it's nice and cold at the bottom there, so we can tell. And then we're just going to give it a fine strain to get rid of that pulp from the fresh grapefruit.
And no bits of rosemary or mint.
Yeah.
Don't want those in your teeth if you're out in the sunshine.
Perfect. So now we just need to garnish it. So I've got some dehydrated grapefruit. Let's pop on there with this rosemary.
Beautiful.
And then a little bit of mint. That's that all.
Oh, that's
And
gorgeous.
there we go. So Robin of Locksley.
And have a little sip and see if I can not knock over garnishes. That's really lovely. I love the fact that you're smelling the rosemary as you're drinking it,
really
so
nice
it really
and fresh,
brings it
isn't it?
out. It's really balanced.
Yeah.
The tartness of the grapefruit and the earthiness of the rosemary. It's a really lovely cocktail. Thank you so much,
Thank
Emma.
you.
Cheers.
Cheers.